Hi! Nowadays, social media is one of the most effective communication channels in e-commerce. They enable us to reach potential recipients more efficiently, create deep relationships with customers, and as a result, increase sales in e-shops. How to use the potential of social media? Reach the audience. A skillfully run profile in social media is above all an excellent tool for raising brand awareness among potential customers and building a trusted fan community around it. Engaging and valuable content serves this purpose. Collect information. Social media are also effective tools for gathering information about customers' preferences and behaviors. The most popular websites, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube or Pinterest, provide brands with detailed demographic data about age, gender or location of their potential recipients. This, in turn, allows segmentation of clients, accurate understanding of their needs and the creation of a personalized message addressed to them. And the last tip is call to action. Popular social media allow brands to include call to action buttons. They allow interested customers to go to the purchase site of a given product with just one click, which translates into an increase in the channel conversion rate. In addition to the Buy Now button, social media can redirect customers to contact details, download of an application or ebook. How to choose social media for an online shop? The wide range and ease of use of social media make them an extremely important communication channel for brands, especially in the e-commerce industry. To use the potential of social media, you must first find answers to a few questions. Who is your target? Different target groups can be found on Facebook, Instagram or Snapchat. Depending on the chosen platform, a different type of content and the language of communication will be used. What is the goal of your activities in social media? Different media have been achieving different goals. Facebook is a great tool to support sales of products and services. Instagram will work as a place to present a more human face of the brand, and YouTube for the particular application of your products and services. What content will you publish? Each of the social networks is governed by different principles, also in terms of content. While on Facebook an engaging content counts, you will need video investment on YouTube. And on Instagram or Pinterest, you should focus on an aesthetic graphic content. The choice of channels for social media communication must always be adjusted to the target group. To put it simply, your brand must be where your customers are.